Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I want to share with you how I created some beautiful decor pieces using items I already had laying around at home. So first I have this 16 by 20 canvas and I'm just going to be giving this a fresh coat of white paint. And this is just regular acrylic paint. So I had this beautiful orchid plant laying around, and I'm just going to be taking the leaves and separating them from each other. I'm going to be painting my orchids in a metallic gold color, and my leaves I will be painting in a silver metallic color. Using some of this clear school glue, and I'm adding that to the center of my orchid flowers and then using a small paintbrush just to spread that glue. I'm using my small gold glitter flakes and I'm just going to be sprinkling those to the middle of each of my orchid flowers. Now once my glitter has dried, I'm just going to be taking my branch and laying it over my white canvas and measuring to see how much I need to cut off. Now taking something sharp, I'm just going to poke through my canvas to create a small hole. And I will be threading my wired LED lights through that small puncture. And I did glue down my battery pack to the wood on the back of the canvas. And then placing that and wrapping my wire all the way around the stem of my orchid and intertwining it to be sure I get light throughout. And I'm not going to take the lights all the way up to the buds. I'm just going to bend it right back down and thread it right back to the bottom. Using my hot glue to secure my orchid stem to my canvas. Now I'm snipping off the wire from the end of my leaves. So I'll be taking this large jar with a lid and I will be spray painting it with some white glossy spray paint. I'll be taking some strong adhesive and I will be adding that to the very top of the lid and wrapping some of this rhinestone chain all around the top knob. So then I'm using some single strips of mirrors to just decorate around my jar. My third DIY, I have this tray and I absolutely love the rose gold color of this handle. I'm going to take this tray apart because I'm not too happy with the color of the wood. So I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats of some white paint. So I want to thank you all so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and I will talk to you in the next one.